Hello guys and welcome back. This is the Disturbed One 669 back with another video, and this time we have a collection video. If you guys are interested in any of these guns, I am considering parting with them. Even though it's just a hobby, I'm not really wanting to keep any of these. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick scan of them all, and I'm gonna go through each individual one and show you guys them, even though I've already done videos on all of them. Alright, first off we have the ERTL rapid fire shotgun. This gun has been sanded, painted, and customized on the inside. I'm not going to go into too much depth and detail, but it has PVC pipe and hot glue mod, so there's more compression, and the plunger tube has a better tighter seal to the barrel here, so it gets much further ranges. We have the two Nerf Mavericks here. These are the first two Nerf guns I ever customized. I think they turned out pretty well. Then we have these dart tag guns. I forgot what they're actually called, but these have been customized. Fully painted barrel and both sides. Then we have the Hornet. Here's the Fury Fire, and I added the night scope thing on it. This is give it like cooler look to it. Here's the dart tag gun or whatever. This one's been modded. Well, they all have been modded, but I'm not going to go into detail of which gun has what mods. Here's the Night Finder. Here's the Scout. They've all been painted, sealed, so they're ready to be sold if anybody is interested. Here's the Nerf Raider. I do get all my guns at thrift stores, so it's a pretty cheap hobby. Let's start over here. Got two different clips. This one goes with the Stampede, but I'll get to that in a little bit. And this one goes with one of the darker, more antiqued guns, probably the Recon or the Long Strike, which I'll get to in a second as well. Here we have the Busby shotgun. Oops. And here we have another Busby gun. This one's been modded. Just slightly. I stretched the spring, that's about it. This gun does have one barrel that doesn't work, but all the other ones still work. Doesn't shoot that far. maybe 30 feet, but still a cool gun for like cosplaying or whatever. And the light does still work. And you cock it back right here. Here's the rapid fire. Rapid fire 20. Here's the mag strike with the extra clip. The clip has been modded. All the restrictors have been removed. Same thing on the one inside. Completely painted to look antique. I didn't paint the part of the pumping system. Well, I painted a little bit, but sanded it off. Here's the Recon. And I glued the iron sight up because it adds more like old like style to it. But this one has not been glued, it's just been painted. Let's get on to the bigger guns. This is the first, I'm gonna take this out so you guys can see it. First squirt gun I did. There's multiple colors on it. I think this gun is the one that has the most colors on it. And there's like a brass gold, lighter copper, and like a rusted copper. This gun still works. It's pretty good. Alright, starting with the big guns. Here's one of the long shots I have. I added a walking key to it. Haven't painted it yet, but I'm gonna make it look antique, just for like details and whatever. Still haven't added when I've wanted to it, some pipe and a gauge to it, because I looked at all the thrift stores and dollar stores around my town. They have none. But anyways, this is the extra barrel that I added that goes into it, like so. And you guys can see it in one of the older videos. I'm not gonna take it off, but it still shoots. Here's the Stampede. This gun has a stretch spring mod, and that's about it. It's been custom painted. Like I said, this is the clip that goes with it. As you can see, same color. And this is the clip that goes with the more antique colored long shot. This long shot does have the scope on it and another one of my custom made barrels to give that really nice like sniper gun look. And there's the front gun parts. I removed the handle to it just so it gives it that really long extended sniper barrel look. I might actually make the front gun section work eventually, but I haven't gotten around to it. Here's the Nerf Firefly, and then the two Vulcans. This Vulcan's done in a dry brushed and spray painted job that I've done on all the other guns, then sealed. Still works. Comes with a spray painted chain that's been sealed, This one's mainly for looks. It does work, but sometimes it will get caught. But I have one over in there that actually goes with it. And then here's the main Vulcan gun. This gun's a manual, because remember guys, I get all my guns at thrift stores. Does still work. Like I said, got the customized, well, custom painted Nerf chain. And let's go into the back of it. Oopsies. Good thing that didn't get scratched. Anyways. Added a gauge to it. And then this thing, I'm not sure what it is. I'm pretty sure it's something that you would attach something to. Somebody knows what that is, let me know, because I found it in the toolbox of my grandpa's, so I'm not sure what it is. But anyways, this one does not come with the album box. Well, I'm just causing all sorts of fucking shit. Excuse my language, people. But anyways, there you guys go. I do have future guns I'm going to be customizing, but I'm taking a break because it's winter time. And yeah, I prefer spraying outside. Might do one or two more. Haven't decided yet, but there you go, guys. Full collection / steampunk arsenal. Thanks for watching, guys.